Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Muntasir and welcome to the American Training Academy, the place where you will unlock your potential to achieve the best in your life. Today, I came to talk with you about something which is very important. It's one word that will really transform your life. But first of all, let me ask you a question. Have you ever started working on something in your life that you believe that it can make it better, but after some time you quit? If yes, don't worry, you are not alone. Last time we talked about how we need to work on our weaknesses to have a better life. And we talked about this, and we talked about how we need to work on these weaknesses on a daily basis. But let me ask you a question. You know, during this journey of improvement, sometime you will hear an inner voice that will tell you, let's do it tomorrow. And this is procrastination, you know. But the one powerful word that will help you to overcome this procrastination, and it will help you to stay motivated during this journey of improvement, is the why. The why. It's a very powerful word. Before you need to work on your weaknesses, you need to ask yourself a question. Why do I need to work on this weakness? For example, if you have a poor time management skill and you want to improve this weakness, so you need to ask yourself this question. Why do I need to work on the poor time management skills? By this you will help your mind to start looking for the rewards, and it will help you to find the answers. So it will tell you, it will help you to have an organized life. It will help you to achieve more. It will help you to decrease your stress. It will help you to have a wonderful life. You need this list. You know why? Because after some time, you will feel demotivated. You will not feel the power that you had before. And when you return to this list and you read it, you remember the rewards, and you will be motivated again, and you will be able to avoid the procrastination. And after that, you will be able to keep yourself motivated to work on this weakness in the journey of improvement. Today, we shared with you this one word, which is a why. You need to always have a rationale before you take an action. And with this list, you will be always self-motivated, and you will be able to avoid any procrastination. Until we meet on next Tuesday, remember, it's never too late to start living the life that you have dreamt about. Thank you so much for joining us.